In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create block quotes in Google Docs. Now, understanding how to format block quotes is a great skill to have, whether you're a student writing papers, a professional preparing reports, or simply someone who loves to write. Let's get started with a clear and simple method to make your text stand out in the form of block quotes. We'll begin with an example paragraph that you want to format as a block quote. Before you do anything, ensure your cursor is placed right at the beginning of this paragraph. This is crucial because the adjustments you make will apply from wherever your cursor is positioned. Once you've got your cursor set up, you'll want to use the indent tool. The indent tool is your best friend when it comes to shifting your paragraph to add emphasis. You can find this tool on the toolbar right at the top of your Google Doc. Use this tool to move your paragraph to the left. This action sets the stage to give your quote that nice indented appearance on the left side. Now, to ensure your block quote is perfectly balanced, you'll need to add some space on the right side as well. This creates a consistent margin of space that makes the block quote stand out from the rest of your text. To do this, direct your attention to the ruler at the top of your document. You'll notice a small arrow there. Click and drag this arrow toward the center of the page. This action adjusts the right margin of your paragraph, giving it that full indented block quote look. It's important to mention that when you move on to the next paragraph, you might find it's still indented like your block quote. If this happens, don't worry. It's just a small quirk of Google Docs formatting. All you need to do is decrease the indent. Simply click on the indent tool again to shift your paragraph back to the left to revert to the standard formatting. This ensures your regular paragraphs maintain their normal appearance while your block quote remains special. And that's it. You've successfully set up a block quote in Google Docs. By following these simple steps, you can make your quotes stand out, provide visual clarity, and enhance your document's overall readability. It's always a good idea to review your document afterward to ensure everything looks neat and tidy. Having a well-organized document not only makes it easier to read, but it also leaves a lasting impression on your audience. Thanks for watching and happy writing!